How to fix Facebook Lite login problem. So if you are facing any issue while logging into Facebook Lite, what you want to do first is make sure that you are connected with good Wi-Fi connection. So if your Wi-Fi is poor or if your internet connection is slow, you want to switch to your data option as well. So if your data option is switched on, it will be easier for you to log into your Facebook Lite account because data is faster sometimes than the Wi-Fi. So make sure that your internet connection is fast before you log in into your Facebook Lite. So if there is no issue with your internet and you're still facing issue while logging into Facebook Lite, what you want to do is click on the Play Store application. In here you want to search for Facebook Lite and make sure that your Facebook Lite is fully updated. So if there is an update button next to Facebook Lite, you want to tap on it and update your application to the latest version. And after you have done that, you can simply open the Facebook Lite and continue to log in. If that still doesn't fix your issue, tap on Settings. In here, you want to go to Apps. So search for Facebook Lite. Now tap on Storage, and here you want to tap on Clear Cache. So once you have cleared your cache, you can head over to your Facebook Lite application and you will be able to log into your account. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.